Hello and welcome to this crazy challenge. My name is Roberto, and I'm happy to show you this challenge sponsored by SlyFoxTrader. And we want to trade 1,000 euro or any other currency of your choice to 1 million. That's the trading challenge. So let's get into what this challenge is about. We will talk about how we will start, what's the goal, how's the setup, and then some information about SlyFoxTrader. That's the tool we are using to do this challenge. And yeah, we will talk about the strategy and the SlyFox contrarian approach. Um, then we will introduce also the broker we trust and use for this challenge, so you know which one we are using if you want to use the same. And the settings, there's also a very nice bonus currently ongoing. Maybe you can also benefit from this. And then, yeah, we will go straight into the day one trading and hopefully share the results by the end of the day. So, what is this challenge about? We will start with 1,000 euros today, January 16th, 2024, and the goal is to reach 1 million euros by the end of this year. We calculated that we need around 14.82% of average weekly profit, including the compounding effect. And if you want to use the same calculator, you can find it on slyfoxtrader.com/calculator, where you can put your own individual figures and calculate what weekly average profit you need if you want to achieve your specific goal. Yeah. So, what is the SlyFoxTrader, the contrarian approach? The market is always against me. I think a lot of people say this, especially traders in the beginning, who feel like every time before they hit their take profit, the market starts just to go against them. If you feel the same, yeah, we fully understand it. We also know that 87% of all traders lose in Forex. So that's crazy high. And does this mean that 13% are profitable? I don't know. But we just know that 87% of all traders lose in Forex. We want to turn the tables to make losing become winning without even knowing really about understanding the market, understanding any patterns, understanding any charts or analysis. We don't want to do all of this. We want just to trade like completely random, and this will lead to losing trades. But there is the SlyFox trader which can switch these losing trades into winning. So SlyFox trader is an EA and an expert advisor, which you can install on any MT4 or MT5 terminal on Windows, and it will run on the demo and so the paper account and also on the live account at the same time. And here's how it works. So we will just trade on the demo account as usual. And what usually happens is that we lose, which is absolutely okay because with this contrarian approach, SlyFoxTrader EA will automatically copy the same trades we are trading on the demo account into the opposite direction on the live account, which means if we are losing our money on the demo account, we are automatically winning on the live account. Of course, there are some rules and some things we need to consider, but this is in general contrarian approach. The strategy and settings is this what we are using. We will open two terminals at the same time, one demo and one live account, both with Vantage FX, our preferred partner and broker. We will use a raw ECN trading account, and we will trade with a quite high leverage of 500 to 1. We will trade mainly on H1 and M30 trading charts, and we will make sure that we will have always the same balance on the demo and on the live account. We are starting with around 1010 euros 61 cents. And we will put 1000 into the demo account, which we can change at any time. There's only one goal to make this strategy work, and it's all about losing all the money on the demo account every week. So this is our main goal. Not to win, not to make money. This is something we should get out of our mind. We should only focus on this. Lose all the money on the demo account every week. So just blow off your demo account every week. We are using a lot multiplier. So, for example, if we are trading with one lot demo, SlyFoxTrader will open trade in the live account with 0.2. If we put this into the settings, so yeah, this is one part of the risk management. So this means the potential risk is even if we need to make 500% in profit in the demo account, only then we will lose all the money in our live account. So the risk is quite low because if you have ever made 500% in Forex, then well, then you would not need this strategy at all because then you are already a very successful trader. But if not, then this strategy is definitely also for you. So the potential profit is if you are losing 100% in the demo account, then we will, with setting up the lot multiplier at 0.2, we will gain 20% profit in the live account. Additional risk management. So what else we want to consider? We are using lot multiplier at 0.2. So just to make sure that we have an additional risk limitation here. We will open maximum 3 to 4 trades, completely random, and we will trade 3 different forex pairs like Euro, US dollar, or US dollar, Japanese yen, or Canadian dollar with Swiss franc. And we will also not spend too much time. We will just check the status only maximum 2 times per day, like around 10 a.m., 4 p.m. Central European time. And if profit of all 3 trades, of all open trades, is more than 5% on the live account, then we will also close all trades. So this is the idea. And yeah, we will use one lot per 1000 euros, like on the demo account. And this, yeah, we will start with this for the beginning. Maybe I will change this later. Let's see. So let's go to the broker we are using and we trust since several years. It's Vantage Forex. This broker is our preferred one. You can use also any broker of your choice. If you want to use SlyFoxTrader, there is no limitations. It works with any MT4 and MT5 terminal. But with Vantage Forex, you have very low spreads, low fees, fast executions, and yeah, even the payouts are very fast within 1-2 days usually. And if you are using our promo code, which is an affiliate link, you will get 10% currently on top of your deposit amount. So yeah, this would also support our challenge and of course the channel. So let's get straight into trading and let's see what we will do.